To add motion blur to your video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro, follow these simple steps. Start by adding a video clip to your timeline where you want to apply the motion blur effect. Next, navigate to the Effects panel and type Echo in the search box. Drag the echo effect onto your video clip in the timeline. Ensure that your video clip is selected, then go to Effect Controls. Under the echo effect settings, you may notice that the effect has brightened up your video. To fix this, change the echo operator to Screen. Now, when you play back your video clip, you'll notice a smooth motion blur effect added to it. To further customize the motion blur effect, adjust the echo time parameter. Experiment with different values to achieve the desired level of blur. Start by making small adjustments, as even slight changes in hundredths of a second can have a significant impact on the appearance of the motion blur. For example, you can set the echo time to any value like this for a subtle yet effective motion blur effect. Play around with the settings until you're satisfied with the result, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily add motion blur to your video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro, enhancing the dynamic movement and visual appeal of your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.